myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Lakhimpur Kheri violence case. The Supreme Court today again remanded the UP government and asked why there were only 23 eyewitnesses even though there was a crowd of thousands at the spot. Not only this, the Supreme Court directed the Uttar Pradesh government to provide security to the witnesses of the incident and also directed that the statement of the witnesses be recorded expeditiously in the Supreme Court on the petition of the independent inquiry under the supervision of the court in the Lakhimpur Kheri violence case. Vinav Guinea House at KN Mukherjee Lane, Asansol 1. Telephone number 0341 2311920. Mobile number 9933990442. In details in diamond, gems and stones, gold and hallmarked jewelry, silver item and utensils, Jordic power items. Kanpur, MD Khalid reporting arms case. Asansol Durgapur police had arrested the four-person, including women, in an illegal arms factory case in Azad Nagar, Nai Basti of Baranpur under the Hirapur police station. There was an illegal arms factory running underground inside the hut. In the operation, the police have recovered 10 semi-manufactured pistols and 3 manufactured pistols. Police had also arrested Farzana Khatun, landlord Javed Hussain and Javed Hussein's wife along with 2 people from Bihar. Let us hear what Mr. Firoz Khan of Paschim Bardhaman District Youth Congress Secretary says.
जैसे आप सभी को पता है जो कल के डेट में मिला है, जो आपको पता है हीरापुर में भी एक अवैध रूप से सामान का दुकान खुला गया था, इसलिए पुलिस ने छापा मारा। हमें ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे इससे पहले भी हुआ था डिसमगढ़ में, नियामतपुर में अवैध रूप से तस्करी किया जा रहा था, अभी यहाँ बरनपुर में हो रहा। इस तरह से पता नहीं यहाँ पर कहाँ कहाँ होगा। जमुइया इलाके में भी, रानीगंज, सभी जगह में लग रहा है हथियारों का जाखिरा चल रहा है। ये किसके संदर्भ में हो रहा है? यहाँ का मंत्री जी को भी ध्यान देना चाहिए। पुलिस प्रशासन कमिश्नर यहाँ पर बनाया गया, किस क्यों बनाया गया? ताकि ये जो अवैध रूप से जो कारोबार चल रहा है किसके लेके, उसके लेके कम से कम उनको स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लेना चाहिए। और इनके पीछे जो भी नेता का हाथ है इसमें, उस पर भी एक्शन होना चाहिए, पर्दाफाश होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये जो कारोबार है अच्छा नहीं है, युवाओं के लिए बहुत नुकसानदायक होगा। इसके लिए मैं आप सभी से यही बोलना चाहता हूँ, पब्लिक से भी, कि कृपया करके इसमें पुलिस को, हमारे मंत्री साहब को, प्रशासन को इसके खिलाफ जो भी इसके पीछे उसको स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लेना चाहिए। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम। मैं फिरोज खान, यूथ कांग्रेस जनरल सेक्रेटरी।
Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. Corona. The incidence of corona is increasing in Paschim Bardhaman district of West Bardhaman along with other districts of the state including Kolkata, 24 Pargana. In this situation, the district health department has suggested to make containment zone in 6 municipal areas of Durgapur and 2 areas of Durgapur Faridpur block and 4 active cases in Rupnarayanpur of Salanpur block where 4 active cases have been found, although already an average of 2000 per day. Challenge: 100% success guarantee or 100% money refund with current agreement. Z NEET Motion Durgapur Study Center, Motion Tower, UCP 22, Bengal, Ambuja City Center. Call us 94348 22278/89001080. Asansol Wasim Khan reporting 11 climbers from West Bengal died in the landslide due to the heavy rain in Uttarakhand. Last evening, the Rising Asansol team lit a candle and paid tribute to all of them near Asansol Municipal Corporation. Gaurav Gupta, Bunty Singh, Rahul Paswan, Vicky Prasad, etc. of Rising Asansol were present here. Gaurav Gupta said that prayers were offered for the peace of soul of the mountaineers of West Bengal who lost their lives in the natural calamity. Coaching for medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 9832824975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. Solin Asansol RPSF female Jawan snatched the snatcher attempt to snatch female RPSF Jawans near the railway underpass near the Aradanga under Asansol South Police Station was a heavy blow. On Tuesday morning, a woman was abducted by the female RPSF Jawan on the charge of attempting to snatch defeat from the female Jawans who were walking in morning. After that, RPF took the police station from where he was handed over to the police. Novel coronavirus COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1800258760. The state government has directed to ban gutka, pan masala and tobacco products as per the instruction issued by the Commissioner of the Food and Safety Department of the state, Tapan Kanti Rudra. From November 7, it will not be possible to sell pan masala, gutka, etc. anywhere in entire state. This pan will be on all nicotine containing substance including gutka, pan masala according to this instruction as their intake to harmful health. That is why this decision has been taken. At the moment, ban will last for 1 year. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Indian Railway RPF Matangini squad as per the instruction of Principal Chief Secretary of Commissioner from Asansol Chandra Mohan Mishra, Senior Security Commissioner, Asansol Safety Commissioner Chandra Mohan Mishra informed that a case of some harassment with a woman was coming to fore in trains and stations from some days. News daily at 9 p.m. with special features on Friday. News Movement Bangla, News Movement English, News Movement Urdu, News Movement Hindi. For more details and advertisement, contact 9563830285/70019672798617659 8617659448 9064082784 9641070758. Meeting was held with the representatives of various chambers of Silpanchal under the leadership of Direct Governor S. Arun Prasad on Tuesday in the auditorium of District Governor Office and important issues. The meeting emphasized on creating garment culture in the district. A lot of women do sewing work in district and the garments sewn by them are sent not only only from this district but also from outside the state. There is a lot of potential in this district in the garment department. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. According to Siripur Dilip Sao, ECL launched Vigilance Awareness Week led by GM MK Joshi or Siripur area on Tuesday at Siripur area office. Meanwhile, MK Joshi and other officials of Siripur area took oath against the corruption, swore together to faithfully fulfill their obligations. Meanwhile, MK Joshi said that he will promote ethical work ethic and promote a culture of honesty and integrity. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. A Barabani blog, people have not been getting service at Domhani Bazaar post office for months, and if they want to withdraw money they have to get a withdrawal from Xerox, but his change has not been given to anyone till now.
আপনি একটু বাইরে আসবেন, আপনার কাছে কিছু জিজ্ঞাসা ছিল। আসুন না একটু বাইরে, 5 মিনিটের জন্য আসুন না।
5 মিনিট না, 2 মিনিট।
আপনার এখন চাপ পড়ে যাচ্ছে, সরকার একই কাজ করছে। কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার এরকম ভাবে অত্যাচার করছে আপনাদের উপরে, এটা তো ঠিক নয়। হ্যাঁ, আপনি আসুন, আপনার সাথে কথা বলবো। আমি আসি। আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে। কিছু প্রশ্ন আছে এই পোস্ট অফিসটা সম্পর্কে। যখনই আসি তখনই হয় আপনাদের স্টাফ নেই, আর তাহলে আপনাদের মেশিন খারাপ। তো পোস্ট অফিসে রেখে লাভ দেখি আছে, এই বিরাট এত বড় একটা সার্কুলেশন এরিয়া আছে, কেন স্টাফ দেবে না কেন? এতগুলো কাজ এখানে হওয়ার কথা। পোস্ট মাস্টার ছুটিতে আছে, পোস্ট অফিসের কাজ বন্ধ। আমি দুর্গাপুজোর আগে থেকে আসছি।
কি বলছে এরা?
এখানে আধার কার্ড করানোর জন্য। হ্যাঁ, এনারা বলছেন মেশিন খারাপ আছে, মেশিন খারাপ আছে, আবার এখন দেখছি স্টাফ নেই। একজন স্টাফে এত বড় একটা পোস্ট অফিস সামলাচ্ছে।
পোস্টমাস্টার কোথায় গেছে?
পোস্টমাস্টার এদের কাছে জিজ্ঞেস করছি, উনি যিনি ডিউটিতে আছেন তিনি তো বলতে পারছেন না, শুধু বলছেন পোস্টমাস্টার এখন ছুটিতে আছেন।
আরেকটা দাদা, দীর্ঘদিন ধরে যেটা আমি শুনছি যে উইথড্র ফর্ম পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না, এটা কি?
আপনি ঠিকই বলছেন, আজকে ঝগড়া করে একটা উইথড্র ফর্ম পেলাম।
কেন ঝগড়া কেন করবেন?
পাওয়া যাচ্ছিল না, ওনারাই বললেন এই যারা আছেন ওদের কাছ থেকে একটা জোগাড় করলাম।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Central Vigilance Commission celebrates Vigilance Awareness Week from October 26 to November 1, 2021. This Awareness Week campaign reforms the commitment to the promote integrity in public life through citizen participation. Vigilance Awareness Week is being celebrated in Asansol Divisional of Eastern Railway from October 26 to November 1, 2021. Vigilance Awareness Week theme. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Mathani Nababawari reporting. This time a man was accused of physically abusing his cousin's baby girl. Kartik Bawari, age 23, of Maithani village under Kulti police station in Asansol, allegedly lured his cousin's 5-year-old daughter to a forest near his home and raped her there. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. Surround yourself with people who respect your individuality. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.